Hey, what's up guys, I'm Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make a stir fry by using eggplants and some basil leaves and with some chicken. Usually this dish only required eggplants and basil without the chicken, but today I add the chicken in because I want to make it as a one-pot meal that have balanced nutrition for a small family like us, just two of us. So if you do not want to use the chicken, you can always turn it back to become a vegetarian dish by using just basil leaves and the eggplants. So this is my eggplant. Some people also call it as aubergine. And I would like to use the eggplant that is mostly from Asia, which is longer and slimmer. The reason is this type of eggplant is less bitter. So first you have to cut away both ends. And cut it into 1 to 2 inches in length. Next, put the eggplants into a pot of water. Plus a teaspoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix and set it aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the basil. Wash and then drain it on a colander and a paper towel. Then chicken meat cut into bite size. You can use either chicken thigh meat or chicken breast. Season it with salt, light soy sauce, pepper, cornstarch, some cooking oil. Mix with your clean hand and marinate the chicken for half an hour. Now I'm going to remove the eggplants from the vinegar and salt water. Then put it on top of a dry cloth or paper towel to absorb the excess water. The reason I soak the eggplants in vinegar water is because vinegar water has a lower pH, which is acidic, and it helps to preserve the color of the eggplants when we cook it later. Next, prepare the seasonings: light soy sauce, sugar. Sugar is required because we need to balance the vinegar that we use. Sesame oil, yellow bean paste, about a teaspoon, about 2 teaspoons of chili bean paste. You can use only the yellow bean paste if you do not want it to make it spicy. Please refer to the recipe in the description box below the video for the quantity of each ingredient. Let's make a quick recap of what are the things that we need. The sauce, we have the marinated chicken, the eggplants, the basil leaves, and also we need some chopped garlic for stir frying, some red chili to garnish, and some egg white to coat the eggplant. Before I cook the eggplant, I want to coat the eggplant with egg white. The egg white will form a layer of protection on the surface that will help to reduce the absorption of oil during frying the eggplant, and that will make the eggplant less oily. Remove the excess egg white. Heat the oil in the wok to fry the eggplant. I only fry it for a very short while, between half to 1 minute, and then I'll remove it from the oil. Let's remove the excess oil from the wok. I pass through the excess oil through a strainer, which can be used to stir fry in the next stage, and the excess can be used for other purposes. Return some oil to the wok, and with less oil now, let's continue stir fry the eggplants. Coat the eggplant with egg white, then deep fry in oil for a short while, and then continue stir fry. Helps to retain the color of the eggplant, as well as to reduce the absorption of oil into the eggplant. Once it has turned color and nicely brown, remove it from the wok. Add some oil in the wok and stir fry the chicken. Next, add the garlic. When the garlic turns aromatic, add the sauce. Plus a little bit of water. Now return the eggplant to the wok. Best to do a taste test and see whether we need to make any adjustments. Everything is fine. The final step is to add a bunch of basil. Have a quick stir. Once the basil is wilted, remove it from the wok and serve immediately. That's how to prepare eggplants with basil and chicken stir fry, and I hope you will love it. I've left the recipe in the description box below the video, and please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar videos soon. Bye for now.